Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install and use a VPN on your PC in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Now, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From here, scroll down and select Extensions. Then click on Open Chrome Web Store. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, go to the search bar at the top and type VEEPN. Then hit Enter. The very first result is the VPN we need. As you can see, it has over 10 million users. To install it, simply click on Add to Chrome. Then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Now just wait for a few seconds and the VPN will be added to Chrome. Next, click on the extensions icon in the top right corner. If you want quick access, you can pin the VPN by clicking the pin icon next to it. Now click on the VPN icon to open it. You can skip the tutorial if you like. Here you'll see a list of free countries that you can connect to. Let's select United States as an example. Simply click on the power button and the VPN will start connecting. And there you go, your VPN is now active. If you want to disconnect, just simply click on the power button again. You can also switch locations easily. Let's change it to Netherlands and connect again. Once the VPN is active, the icon will turn green, indicating that your connection is secure. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more quality tech tutorials in the future. See you all in the next one. Bye.